Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update. We have had a very crazy week in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin touched $30,000, but the altcoin market is still down in Goblin Town, even though we're still seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market. Bitcoin trades around $28,300. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $30,000 earlier in the week. Can we see Bitcoin cracking that $2,000 level before the end of the year? Was the pulse on the total crypto market? Where's the altcoin market heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Ethereum sits around $1,552. Are we going to finally break to new lows, maybe $1,200, or are we going to see Ethereum return back to $2,000, setting new highs for 2023? We'll take a look at sentiment in the market. We'll talk about Altseason, and we'll also look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. On the yearly time frame, a lot of altcoins are still down bad in Goblin Town. We have altcoins down 30%, 40%. Some of them are still down 70% on the year. If we go on the monthly time frame, those altcoins are already showing signs of life. Some altcoins are down double-digit losses, but a lot of altcoins have single-digit losses over the last 1 month. And over the last 1 week, we're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market. We're still waiting for Bitcoin to cross that $32,000, guys. I believe at the $32,000 level is where the magic will happen. I believe at that $2,000 level is where things will go crazy. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,900 in 2023. I still believe we'll see Bitcoin going higher than that before the end of the year. But how high can Bitcoin just go before the end of the year? If we crack that $32,000 level, if we see Bitcoin rallying above it, guys, $40,000 level is still my line in the sand. I still believe we can see Bitcoin cracking that $40,000 level. But let's not get too excited, because if Bitcoin gets $40,000, that's where everybody would think the bull run is back. We're going to the moon. Time for new all-time highs. But that's the time to be very careful. That's the time to be taking some profits off the table. And Bitcoin could easily have that pump very quickly. You know how volatile the altcoin markets can be. We can easily see Bitcoin having a 40% rally before the end of the year. Now, if Bitcoin has that big rally we've been waiting for, if we see Bitcoin having that big pump to the upside, what impact will that have on the altcoin market? Bitcoin has been rallying to higher prices since the start of the year. Bitcoin is up over 40% since the start of the year. But Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, is up around 12%. Ethereum has not gone up like 40% since the start of the year. Ethereum is up 18%. We saw Ethereum getting to as high as over $2,100. But ever since April 2023, Ethereum has slowly been dumping to Goblin Town. Ethereum has been losing value. But guys, we still expect to see Altseason. We still expect to see the altcoins in the market going crazy. We usually see Altseason. I believe this year will not be any different. Right now, we're heavily in Bitcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is taking all the shine in the cryptocurrency market. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has been performing better than 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies. And if 75% of the top 50 coins are performing better than Bitcoin over the next 90 days, that will officially be an alt season. But I don't think we're there yet. I believe we're at the cusp of seeing that alt season going crazy. Let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The last 7 days has been crazy. The last 7 days have seen Bitcoin increase by 5.4%. Ethereum is down 0.69%. We have BNB up 2% in the last 7 days. XRP down 0.04%. Solana, the biggest gainers in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization over the last 7 days. Solana has gone up by 9%. Tron is up 3.23% in the last 7 days. Let's take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days. We've had crazy pumps. We've had crazy dumps to Goblin Town. Right now, Bitcoin store value is up 23%. The last 7 days, Trust Wallet token has seen a 16% increase. Injective is up 10%, Stacks is up 10%, and 1inch Network is up 9.12% in the last 7 days. In the loser section, we have Conflux down 11%, Mantle down 8%, Sue down 7%, Gala down 6%, and BitGet token down 6.7%. Those are the biggest gainers and the biggest losers in the cryptocurrency market in the last 7 days. Let's take a look at liquidation data. The last 24 hours have seen over 36,000 traders liquidated. Total liquidation comes in at $59 million. The largest liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader was liquidated for over $681,000. Be careful out there, guys. Leverage is very good to increase your account. At the same time, you can lose all your hard-earned money very, very quickly. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, still in Bitcoin season on the seasonal time frame. On a monthly time frame, we are in Bitcoin season. On a monthly time frame, we have seen an altcoin month in 2023. It happened way back in June and July. I still believe we can see another alt month before the end of the year. We saw 2 alt months in 2022. We saw one alt season. I believe we'll see another alt month before the end of the year. But sentiment in the market is still neutral. The bulls and the bears are still having that battle. No one is fully in charge of the market right now. The bulls can claim they're in control of the market. The bears can claim they're in control of the market. But guys, over the next few days and the next few weeks, one of this group is going to take over. If it's the bears, huge dumps gobbling time is going to happen for Bitcoin and the altcoin market. Well, if the bulls take over, we're going to see huge pumps to the upside, which might lead us to as high as $30,000, maybe $40,000 before the end of the year. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Sam Bankman-Fried trial is still ongoing. We're still hearing all the news from his former associates and how they used customer funds. Hopefully, those customers will get their funds back. Hopefully, justice will be done. Ethereum LSFD 5 sector grew 60x since January in post-Chappelle short. And BAYC creator Yugo Labs complete restructuring to focus on the metaverse. They were really crazy in the bull run. They had huge pumps. They launched ApeCoin, and right now they are pivoting to the metaverse. Futures of DAO limited by lack of regulatory framework. That's ECBD occasional paper. UK to target potential AI threat at planned November summit. Council of EU adopts DAX crypto tax reporting rule. And the Middle East regulatory clarity drives crypto industry growth. That's what Binance Fair's head is saying. IMF director audits financial inclusion by digitalization. And let's go back to the charts. The total crypto market cap sits above $1 trillion. Guys, the crypto market cap has gotten to as high as $1.25 trillion in 2023. Can we break higher than that? I believe we can see the crypto market cap try to get to as high as $2 trillion before the Bitcoin halving, maybe before the end of the year. But the line in the sand for total crypto market cap still sits at that $1.25 trillion level. If we see us cracking it, our next point of action will be the $1.6 trillion level from where we're currently trading right now. The total crypto market cap will have to rally up by more than 50% to the upside. If you take a look at the altcoin market sits around $320 billion. Next up for the altcoin market is the $489 billion level. And if we're lucky, if we have to catch up to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin rallies quickly towards 40,000, if the altcoin market gets to as high as $1.6 trillion, you expect to see the altcoin market also having a huge pump towards the $612 billion level. From where we're currently trading, that will require the altcoin market to have about an 80+% move to the upside. UK tops crypto activities in Central, Northern, and Western Europe. Central banks want to look under crypto hoods. Is that a positive sign? Guys, I've told you guys, I believe we're going to see CBDCs at some point in time in the future. At the same time, the government will try to take over crypto, so be ready. US Treasury sanctions Gaza-based crypto operator allegedly tied to Hamas. And Anthropic build a democratic AI bot by letting users vote for its value. Elon Musk trials $1 subscription fee sign-up fee. Elon Musk trials $1 subscription sign-up fee for new users in New Zealand and in Philippines. According to him, he's trying to fight bots. Senate Warren, 100+ legislators writes White House Treasury about crypto and terrorism. Senator Warren has been one of the opposition candidates of crypto in the US Congress. She has always been saying bad things about crypto. Bitcoin holds 28K as institutional investors maneuver boost sentiment, and Ethereum DeFi protocol hopes length drained after exploit. Let's take a look at that Senator Warren's stories Senator Warren and 100 plus legislators write White House treasuries about crypto and terrorism. The letter was signed by crypto opponents and many lawmakers who have been neutral on crypto up till now. It's crazy to see that anytime there's anything bad happening in the world, crypto is the first to get attacked, even though fiat system launders a lot of money for terrorists. According to her, those deadly attacks by Hamas on Israeli civilians come as the group has been one of the most sophisticated crypto users in the terror finance domain, clarifies the national security threat crypto pose to the US and our allies. That's crazy to see. They are willing to take down an industry just for their own good. Bitcoin price holds $28,000 range as institutional investors maneuvering boost sentiments. Comments from institutional investors and amendments to the spot Bitcoin ETF applications could be behind the recent improvement in investor sentiment. The chart looks very, very primed. We're getting ready for that big pump to the upside. When will that pump happen? ECB officials move in preparation phase for digital euros. Sam Bankman-Fried trials a telling story of classic financial deceit. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the crypto market going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Tesla, Bitcoin back on touch as firms splash out on AI. Bitcoin still sits around $28,000. We're waiting for that big pump to the upside. I believe it's going to happen very, very soon. And I believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance, which has been increasing, getting to as high as 52%, start tumbling to gobbling town. The altcoin market might be ready for that long-awaited alt season. And we might just see altcoins going to the moon. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a bull? Are you a bear? Do you expect higher prices over the next coming days and next coming weeks? Or do you expect that big dump to gobbling town that most of the market participants are worried about? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. If you're new to this channel, you can follow us on our social media platforms on Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter at Mr. Legend Crypto. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.